Did you know that there is a message from your angel, meant exclusively for you? Something profound and impactful is unfolding in your life, and it is no coincidence that you are here now. There is a powerful connection, something greater, that links you to someone close to you, almost as if you both knew deep down that success was inevitable. You feel this familiarity, don't you? As if you have always known that prosperity and fame were reserved for you. Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal might be exactly what you need to hear. Around this special person, you sense a different energy, almost tangible, that seems to envelop and embrace every moment you share. There is something greater, an invisible force that seems to guide every step you take together, every decision you make, as if it were part of a plan that transcends understanding. Deep in your soul, this feeling grows, firm and unshakable, that everything is in the right place, as if the universe is conspiring for you to be exactly where you need to be. It's as if every challenge faced, every obstacle overcome in your lives had a clear purpose, like pieces of a puzzle that are now fitting together perfectly. The presence of this person by your side, who has also walked down difficult roads, brings a deep understanding and a connection that gives meaning to everything you have lived through until now. Together, you not only share the present, but also build a future where each step is taken with the certainty of being on the right path, following a rare and precious harmony. This union goes beyond what is common. It is not just a partnership, it is a connection that transcends, that touches something much deeper. And this special connection brings with it the ability to turn dreams into reality. The dreams you hold in your hearts, the deepest ones, seem within reach, as if they were just one step away from materializing. What you can achieve together is something extraordinary, something that is not limited to material success but encompasses all areas of life, promising a full realization, a happiness that is true and lasting. The most amazing part is that this journey is not a lonely one. You are side by side, sharing every moment, every achievement, every challenge. This unique connection you have is a celebration of the union of your souls, a meeting that seems to have been written in the stars, destined to bring light and meaning to every aspect of your lives. Each moment you spend together is not just shared time but a reaffirmation of this bond that illuminates the way, making your journey together something very special, something that surpasses all previous experiences. When someone tries to get close to you or this special person, it's as if something invisible rises between you, creating an uncomfortable feeling, almost as if the presence of others could destabilize what is so unique and precious in your relationship. This reaction of distancing does not happen by chance. It is an instinctive form of protection, coming from a deep place within you. As you go through these situations together, whether in your relationship with this person or in any decision you need to make, it is crucial that you find balance. And this balance is not something chosen only with the mind. It is a vital necessity for both of you to grow and flourish together. The lesson here is evident. It is necessary to discover the point of harmony where you can support each other, both in your individual journeys and in the joint path. This perception of support, that you are destined to walk side by side, is already within you, like a mark of a deep and special connection. It is a bond that seems to transcend time and space, as if it is rooted in something greater than yourselves, a kind of destiny that is unfolding right now, right before your eyes. Life seems to be bringing up memories of shared success, of a wealth that goes beyond the material, touching the spiritual, and of a recognition that you have already experienced together at some point, perhaps in a past existence. These same energies are beginning to resurface, creating a new opportunity for you to relive this connection and continue to walk a path of success, growth, and fulfillment together. You are, in fact, souls that have found each other again to continue a story that began a long time ago, and the present moment is just another chapter in this shared journey. In this chapter, balance, mutual support, and deep connection are the keys that will open the doors to the next level of evolution and success, both individually and collectively. What you are experiencing now is not just a coincidence but a reunion with a destiny that awaits you, full of potential to be realized, if you continue to walk side by side, with the strength of this bond that is so strong and true. Do you know that feeling of being connected to someone in such a deep way that it seems impossible to explain? It's as if somehow you have already walked a path together before, in another time, in another life. The intensity of this bond is so great that it gives the impression that there is something greater involved, as if the universe itself had planned this reunion, a clear manifestation of a divine purpose that united your souls. When you look back at all the other relationships you have had or the different paths you could have taken, nothing seems to compare to this connection you share now. It's as if all those previous experiences had been just rehearsals, necessary preparation so that, at this moment, you would be ready to live something so special. Every decision, every choice made in the past, no matter how appropriate or happy, does not come close to the greatness of what you are experiencing together now. This is one of those bonds that transcends everything physical, emotional, even rational. It is a spiritual connection that defies any logic, but that you feel with an unshakable certainty, deeply rooted in every part of your being. And although there may be other options or possibilities in the world, nothing compares to what you have. It's as if all your past lives had been a continuous search for this unique experience, and finally now, you have found it. The feeling of being in the right place, at the right time, with the right person is so strong that it leaves no room for doubt. You know with all the certainty of the universe, that you are exactly where you should be, living what you should be living. This is a rare opportunity, perhaps a chance that only comes once in many lives, to experience something truly extraordinary. And when you find each other, it's as if the entire universe conspires for it to happen, for this connection to finally manifest. There is no denying the depth and authenticity of what you are living. And this certainty that you were made for each other, that this reunion is the culmination of everything you have lived before, is what makes this experience so absolutely special and unique. When someone tries to approach you or this special person, it feels like something invisible interposes itself, instinctively, pushing away anyone who comes too close. It's not a matter of fear or distrust, but because deep down, you both know that what you share is something deeply sweet and unique. It's such a delicate experience that other people simply wouldn't understand or value it the same way. This bond you have is like a sacred space, a place where you both find peace and comfort, something that only makes sense in each other's presence. Gradually, you begin to realize that this relationship is not just about being together physically. It brings a valuable lesson about balance and mutual support. You are not just sharing moments, but learning to support each other, to respect each other's boundaries and needs harmoniously. It's as if the universe has designed this connection to be a crucial part of both of your life journeys, something that goes far beyond simply being together. And what makes this person even more special is their gentleness, their way of being so sensitive. There is a tenderness in them that touches you in a deep way, making you feel an almost instinctive need to protect them. Although you are also a sensitive person, it seems that their feelings are even more delicate, more susceptible to being hurt. This awakens in you a strong desire to take care of them, to ensure they never feel hurt or abandoned. There is a mutual care between you, an affection that does not need words to be expressed. It is a silent understanding that what you have is valuable, something that deserves to be treated with the utmost care and respect possible. This person, with all their sweetness and sensitivity, touches your heart in a way that no one else has, making you value this connection in a unique way. Being together is not just a blessing, it is the realization of something deeply special and meaningful. Together, you have something rare and true, something that deserves to be cherished and nurtured with all the love and care in the world. It is not by chance that this person appeared in your life. You crossed paths for a reason that goes beyond what we can see or understand at first glance. This bond, this connection, is special, unique, something that does not happen every day. From the beginning, even if it seemed like something simple, almost trivial, you felt deep down that there was something more, something that cannot be easily explained. It's as if this person was already known, familiar in some way. Perhaps from another time, from another life, who knows? What matters is that this feeling of familiarity is not just imagination. It is real. And that is exactly what makes this relationship so different from any other. It is not just a common feeling. It is something that stirs deep within, in the heart and soul. The love you share is something that goes far beyond the ordinary. It is a connection that few are lucky enough to experience. It is not the kind of love we see everywhere, on every corner. It is a deep, unique feeling that escapes the understanding of those who look from the outside. Maybe this is a blessing, because what you have is rare and precious, something that needs to be guarded and protected with the utmost care, as if it were an intimate secret that belongs only to you two. It is not that you are trying to hide what you feel, but that this special connection deserves to be cared for with respect and delicacy. What you have is too valuable to be exposed carelessly. The connection between you is not based solely on physical attraction or something that will fade with time. What binds you is something that started discreetly, almost imperceptibly, but that gradually gained strength, growing in meaning and depth. This love, which at first seemed shy, is now a solid rock, resistant to any storm that may arise. No challenge will shake this bond you have built together. What you have is something that goes beyond time, that transcends what is visible or tangible. It is present in every look, every gesture, every word you exchange. The love you share is a precious gift granted by the universe, a rare and special gift. It is not just a passing feeling but a deep connection that must be nurtured with all the affection and dedication. Every day, this flame needs to be fueled with gestures of affection, understanding, and respect, for this is how it grows and strengthens. You have been blessed with something that many people spend their entire lives searching for, without ever finding. It is not just a common relationship, it is a union of souls, a bond that transcends time and difficulties. This love you have is a true privilege, a blessing that must be cultivated and preserved with all care. It is a powerful force, capable of overcoming any barrier, any challenge that life may place in your path. Looking at what you have, it is impossible not to recognize how special this relationship is. It is the kind of love we all wish to have, a genuine and sincere connection that makes us feel complete and fulfilled. You are living proof that true love exists and that when found, it must be treated as the invaluable treasure it is. Life has put you in each other's paths, and now it is up to you to value and protect this gift. Don't let the small difficulties of everyday life dim the light of this pure and true feeling. Always remember that what you have is rare and that every moment together is an opportunity to strengthen this union even more. Take care of this love with all the care, because it is the foundation of everything that is good and true in life. And know that, as long as you continue to nurture this connection, it will only become stronger and more lasting, resisting any storm that may arise. Your love is undoubtedly one of the greatest gifts you could have received and deserves to be celebrated every day. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision is. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.